Thanks, no fees, no inflation. These are the potential perks of this thing called Bitcoin. But is Bitcoin really the money of the future?
Bitcoin.
All the rage, but what the hell is it?
Bitcoin is better than currency.
There's a big industry around Bitcoin, and people have made fortunes out of Bitcoin.
Technical answer on Bitcoins is that Bitcoins is a remarkable cryptographic achievement.
It is a huge deal. It's a huge, huge, huge deal.
If people have got lots of Bitcoins and they want to go to space, I'd much rather they spent that money on our spaceship.
I mean, I own Bitcoin in my hedge fund. I own Bitcoin in my fund. I own Bitcoin in my private account.
There is a reason the most wealthy investors are talking about cryptocurrencies in a higher regard than their own company's stock. It is massive, a massive opportunity for them and a massive opportunity for you. Anyone clever or lucky enough to have bought $1,000 of Bitcoins in July 2010 when the price stood at 5 cents would now have a stash worth $46 million. $46 million! With dozens of digital currencies exploding as high as 3,475%, 21,611%, and even 81,465%. Historians will call today's cryptocurrency market the biggest boom ever. And if you're missing out, you could be cheating yourself out of the only chance you'll ever have to turn a single $100 bill into a retirement fortune in a matter of months. And it couldn't be easier. Even if you know nothing about cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is follow this simple 3-step script you see below. Because every single boom throughout history has followed this script. The stock market boom in the Roaring '20s, the tech boom in the 1990s, the housing boom in the 2000s, and now the booming cryptocurrency market is following this exact same 3-step script. Using this roadmap, I already made an investment that returned a total profit of $1.8 million from one single cryptocurrency trade. And before you guess, it was not Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies. You see, Bitcoin gained a lot of publicity after it turned many regular folks into millionaires. As The Economist magazine says, anyone clever or lucky enough to have bought $1,000 of Bitcoins in July 2010 when the price stood at 5 cents would now have a stash worth $46 million. The thing is, the fast money in Bitcoin has already been made. It was easy to make a quick fortune when Bitcoin was trading for pennies. But now that the digital currency is trading around $4,000, it will be harder for you to make millions from Bitcoin going forward. But if you missed the Bitcoin boom, don't worry, because this year hundreds of smaller cryptocurrencies have popped up. And unlike the expensive Bitcoin, many of these lesser known digital currencies are trading for pennies. In fact, I recently bought another cryptocurrency for just 52 cents, and it's already up 800% in just 3 weeks. Many other cryptos are trading for pocket change. That means you could get started with a single $100 bill. And if you follow this proven 3-step script, you could cash out with a retirement fortune just a few months from now. Just like what happened with early Bitcoin investors. I know that's a huge claim, but this kind of get-rich-quick opportunity is already happening. I want to show you exactly how it is done. I want to show you what to trade, how to trade, and when to trade. I want you to succeed. Interested? Fantastic! Simply click continue, where you will be able to gain access to my personal coaches, my personal system that pocketed me $1.8 million last year alone, plus several bonuses that will help you get started.